Today I want to go through one of the functions that's found in the TD Ameritrade ThinkorSwim platform. I want to go through time and sales and just show you how creative you can get with it. What I'm showing you right here is the website for TD Ameritrade. It's a bit confusing sometimes because they have a web-based platform right here. And then they also have mobile trading on your phone. And then they have something called ThinkorSwim. And this ThinkorSwim desktop, the reason why it's a bit confusing is this is a platform that TD Ameritrade acquired from the guys over at Tasty Trade. So they actually built the platform and TD Ameritrade bought them over. And now Tasty Trade has built their own platform to compete with them called Tastyworks. So this platform runs on its own. So what I'm going to do is walk you through just one of the functions called time and sale. Just for those of you who don't know, I'm called Uncle Dan. I've been trading for more than 3 decades, and I just really like helping people understand how to use financial tools to be successful investing. It doesn't mean guaranteed to make money. So we're going to focus on time and sales and options. So we're going to move over to the ThinkorSwim platform. Okay, let's take a quick look at SLV today. This is an historic plunge today. Look at this. If we look back in time, have we seen anything like this? When it got up to 48, did we have any pullbacks along the way? I guess it did hit 30 and come back down to 26 before it went up. But then once it hit 48, see that volume there? Went from 45 down to 33 in 1 week. For the week, we've not gone to the low of the previous week, which was 2240, but we might get there tomorrow. It's hard to say. But today is Tuesday. We've already seen half the volume, so that means if the volume continues, it's going to be way up here. So we have the makings of a peak for sure, but today we want to talk about time and sales. When you go to the option chain, you can see all the quotes, okay? And then here you can see the option stats. 1.2 million calls traded today, almost 500,000 puts against 163 million shares. And you can see it's actually trading lower after the close. Then down here, we have time and sales. This shows you all the trades that happened during the day. So now I'm going to walk you through what I did this morning when I was looking for a put. Right now, the stock is down 7%, SLV is at 25. Now I'm looking at the time and sales on ThinkorSwim, the TOS platform from TD Ameritrade. Normally you would sit here and you would look at each trade coming in like this. So we can watch and see. I filtered it down to the puts because what I'm going to do is sell a naked put in here. You can see only puts coming in, not calls, because I want to sell a naked put. Now how do I know which one's expensive? I can see the implied vol here to the right. So this is interesting. I can see what's coming through, but I want to know what's really high priced, not priced. I want to know which one is really high implied volatility. So look, I can sort this by high and low, and then I need to see. Now look at this. Here's ones that are pennies, and then here are some that are 5. Now I can narrow this range down if I want through the filter. But you need to know what you want to do with something like this. Like price-wise, I'm going to sell a naked put. I know I want at least $1. So I'm going to take anything away that's less than $1 in there. And in terms of strikes, I'm not going to do anything above 25. And I wouldn't expect those to be, well, I'm going to put 26 here. I'm definitely not doing anything below 20, no matter what the premium is. I'm pretty sure I won't get anything. So now I'm zeroing in puts in here, 26 put, 100% vol. Now the stock's at 25, so that's only going to give me 40 cents in premium. So I'm not real keen on those 26s at 105%. Now here's a 25.5 put. Now you see this, the highest vols are the in the money puts. And once these things go in the money, it's kind of hard to calculate the implied vols. Let's see what we got here, 98%. Now this is not by time, okay? I'm sorting this by IV. This happened on the opening. The largest vols we can see in here are the 26 and the 25.5s, and those are the only ones that are trading above $1. I'm surprised we're not seeing anything else trade, but it looks like we're gonna have to go further out in time. I don't want to do anything in this week because I'm selling premium, and if the premiums are high, I probably want to go out at least a few more days. So I'm going to go even out to November, but I'm not going to go further than that. So I'm kind of picked a spot. Now what happens? In September, a 22.5 put That's interesting, 88%. There's a 23 put in September. Okay, so we're seeing something in September. Let's see, that was the 23 put traded at $1.43. 23 put traded at $1.43. 11th September timeframe seems to be where there's the best opportunity to get something done at a higher vol. So now let's go back to the current time and see what's coming through. So it looks like the 25 September. So I can see the 23 September's traded, the 11th Sept week, they traded $1.43 and now they're 80 cents. So there was a chance there to sell those right in the open, but that opportunity's gone. So most of the puts are trading up 40% in there. So we want to get at least $1 in premium. These are tough. These are not that expensive. Now what just traded here? $1.90, 62% on the October 24 puts. Someone just paid up $1.96. Someone's buying those October 24 puts. And then look at here, $1.50 on a 25 September 24 put. Okay, October 24 put, 191. Someone's buying a bunch of those. There's the November 25 put just traded at $3. November 23 puts just traded at $1.90. Wow. What's the implied vol there? 60%. Which one are we selling? See, the August, we can come in here and get about half that amount of premium. You know, $1 doesn't seem like much premium when the stock just dropped 2. 24.5 puts for $1.10. The premiums aren't high enough to get me real excited about going further out. It looks like the 28th August 24 puts are trading around 90 cents. If the stock drops a bit, I wonder if those could hit $1. And if I wanted $1, I just need to go a week out. 24 days out, I can sell the 24 put for $1.15. What else we got coming in? Here's 261, the 26 put. Yeah, I don't want to go that far in the money. I was kind of hoping the vols would get a bit higher, but 70% is probably not bad. It's a September 26 put for 261. You know what? It's 70%, and that's the September 18th. 72% on that September 18th 26 put traded at 265, and now it's 266. I'm going to go in there. That's almost 70%. I think I'm going to go in there at 265. Okay, I'm placing my order at 265, and I will watch here and see if the 26 put trades when you see it on the time and sells here. Okay, it just got filled, and let's watch the screen. There it is. See that? 265. I just sold 72%. Okay, so we just got short a naked put in SLV, the 26 strike at 70% implied. So we'll see where we go from there. So anyway, that's how we can use time and sales to watch the option market, place our orders, and scan for high vol that's actually trading, not just looking at the bid ask, but what's actually trading. You get a sense of the flow. Doesn't guarantee you're going to make money, but it's just another tool you can use. So good luck.